This is what I do on workshop day. I relax. You see, I still got on my bonnet. I'm watching TV. I saw my boyfriend off to work and yeah, just chilling and getting my mind right, my spirit right, and just being in the right energy. Got on my spa robe. Yes, you gotta self care boss it every day. And sometimes as entrepreneurs, we will over prepare. I don't believe in that. Just bring yourself to the table, bring your unique, vibrant, positive energy, and the people who feeling it, they're gonna vibe with it and be attracted and buy from you. But that's what I'm doing. I'm chilling, yo. Workshop tonight. If you want to register, I'll put the link here, but Get Over Your Ex 2-day workshop. I teach it. Okay, behind the scenes of the setup for the workshop. So we're at the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles set. We got our notes posted right there, and then the computer screen. Oh, I had my ring light here, but I took some of it down. But this is what goes on behind the computer. Had to have my mouse, my water. Of the Get Over Your Ex workshop is about to begin. We are here with our camera and lights and all the setup. So yeah, just about to serve the people and help unbreak their hearts. Say you love me again. Yeah, I've got to unbreak these hearts. Okay, daily CEO recap, y'all. I've been going since like 10 well, earlier than that. I did my meditation and personal development. Then I had a 10:30 meeting with the coach, with one of my coaches, mastermind meeting with one of the groups that I'm in, another mastermind meeting. I took some copywriting courses today. I edited my website. Well, actually, it's more like my landing page. And then what else occurred today? I also prepared my presentation for tomorrow's workshop. How was your day as the CEO? Did you make magic today? Or were you tragic today? Like, that's what I want to know.